I am sorry. Let's say that in Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. Gu ta zi. I am gu. Sorry. Ta zi. Thanks. Thank you. Let's say that in Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. Or chao. Water or water. Let's say this in white Hmong and green Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. White Hmong, day. Green Hmong, glay. Does she, he, it know? Let's say this in Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. Nư, bùa, bao. She, he, it knew. Does bùa know bao? Bao, chỉ bao. I know, I don't know. Let's say these in Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. Gu bao. Gu chi bao. I did not know. Let's say this in Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. Gu tư chi bao. I gu. Did tư not chi no bao. Or I did know. Gu tư bao. Speak. Hi. Listen. Mlong. Read. Nhìn. Write. Shall. Speak. Hi. Listen. Mlong. Read. Nhìn. Write. Shall. Let's say these in white Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. Children, mê nhua. Baby, mê a. Boy, tu. Girl, tsai. Man, zi name. Woman, bon mia. Let's say these animals in Hmong, the white Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Lion, chó, chua. Monkey, lia. Elephant, chu. Zebra, name tsai. Giraffe, name ya da de. Tiger, chó or chó tsai. Lion, chó chua. Let's say these animals in the white Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Bear, dai. Eagle, da. Penguin, nong de du. Deer, ma lu. Camel, lu or u. Let's say these animals in the white Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Snake, na. Spider, ga lao sha. Fly, yong. Butterfly, bao bai. Ant, zhao. Let's say these numbers in Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. 0, zai or sun. 1, e. 2, all. 3, bay. 4, blau. 5, chi. 6, dao. 7, xia. 8, yi. 9, yua. 10, gao. 11, gao e. 12, gao o. Let's say these words in Hmong, the white Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Bed, za. crib, tsa, desk, trong, or tu, dresser, tu, quilt, ba. Let's say these items in the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Toothbrush, tu chuat nia. Brush, jua. Sink, dan chuat te. Rug, dao shot tao. Let's say these items in Hmong, the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Broom, kao tua. Hammer, zhao. Rope, lua. Ladder, dai. Hose, zao ya de. Let's say these items in the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Umbrella, gao. Television, TV. Telephone, saw tong. Lamp, thing. Stroller, lu lao me a. Let's say these kitchen items in the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Dishes, tai dia. Plate, pa. Spoon, dia. Fork, dia da or dia chaw. Glass, caw. Knife, dia. Pan, lao gao. Let's say these house items in the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. House, jay. Chair, to. Sofa, salon. Table, zhong. Window, ko dai. Door, ko zhong. Stove, ko yu. Let's say these items in the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Pencil, yu mei khuo or sao. Pen, yu mei. Crayon, gao or gao khuo. Ladder, zhan dao. Scissors, xia. Clock, lu teng or lu mong. Let's say these food in the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Ice cream, mi nyu ko. Cookie, yuakaji. Milk, mi. Egg, gay. Corn, ba gu. Carrot, zhao du hao bao da. Vegetables, zhao. Let's say these fruits in the White Hmong dialect. Hmong is a tonal language. Fruit, zi ma jin dong or zi for short. Orange, zi gan zi. Banana, zi zhao. Lemon, zi gao or manao. Tomato, zi lu shua. Apple, apple. I am hungry. I want to eat. Let's say these in Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. Gu chai bla. I am gu hungry. Chai bla. Gu sa no. I gu want sa to eat no. I am thirsty. I want to drink. Let's say these in Hmong. Hmong is a tonal language. Gu ki de. Gu sa hao. Thirsty ki de or ki. To drink how.